George Oduor, a longtime aide and bodyguard to opposition leader Raila Odinga, has passed away at Nairobi West Hospital after several days of hospitalization. His death marks the end of an era for a man who dedicated nearly 3 decades to ensuring the security of one of Kenya's most influential political figures. Oduor's service to the Odinga family reportedly dates back to the days of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, Kenya's first vice president, and a towering figure in the country's political history. Some accounts suggest that he initially served as Jaramogi's personal security officer before seamlessly transitioning to Raila's protection detail after Jaramogi's passing. For those who closely followed Kenyan politics, Oduor was a constant, albeit often overlooked presence. Whether navigating the chaos of street protests or standing guard during high-level political negotiations, he was always there, resolute, composed, and unwavering in his duty. Despite his imposing presence, those who knew him personally describe him as a soft-spoken and highly intelligent man, someone who understood both the physical and political complexities of his role. His passing leaves a significant void not only in Raila Odinga's inner circle, but also in Kenya's political landscape, where trusted aides and confidants play an unspoken yet vital role. While his work often kept him out of the spotlight, his influence and loyalty were deeply felt by those who worked closely with him. As the political fraternity mourns his loss, Oduor's legacy as a dedicated protector and strategist will remain woven into the Odinga family's long and storied history. His journey, from shielding Jaramogi to standing beside Raila in turbulent times, is a testament to his deep commitment and unwavering loyalty, qualities that are increasingly rare in Kenya's ever-evolving political scene.